Malakas ang bira.
Siguro. Minamaliit ba naman? Don't judge the book by its cover. Aba, hindi ko nasusugatan.
Tapos Mayweather na naman.
It's out of two people, Manny Pacquiao.
Takulin si Mayweather.
Who do you like in that fight?
I like Floyd Mayweather against anybody. You know, and I like Pacquiao against anybody.
Galit na.
The interesting thing is, in this fight tonight, it's the very best Manny Pacquiao has done for you know, so there's going to be a lot of analyzing and post-fight reinvention of what happened, and it's going to be interesting. But no question about one thing, Manny Pacquiao's winning this fight.
Ayan.
Oh, yan.
And it would be a feather in his cap.
Nangangati yung mukha. Chicken.
Says he was headbutted.
It was not a headbutt.
Takot
You
siya.
saw the gloves.
Saying that it would be a feather in his cap to knock out Jay Mosley.
Knockoutin mo nga.
Ayan, sige, puro mo. Ano na eh.
Wobbling a bit.
Sige na, wobbly na.
Getting closer.
Ayaw niyang ano.
Sige na, please.
It seems like Mosley is really going for every fight, everything he's doing, he's covering up,
Whatever.
and he's not.
What happened?
Na-outbalance lang naman.
Not counted yun?
No way.
Come on, Pinoy.
To the outside left. That was not a knock.
Hey, not counted yun?
Not counted yun.
I don't know.
Kaya ang inasabi niya.
Na-outbalance yata.
Active na kasi. Active na kasi. Namamatit eh.
Here you go.
Sige.
Sige.
Patay ka dyan. Ayan.
Sige na. Birahin. Sige na. Sige na. Susod. Good. So good.
So good.
Sugod kapatid.
Birahi.
Yeah.
Yan!
Macho na kasi. Sige na.
8 seconds.
6 seconds.
Sabi
Mahaba ang braso.
Nabos na.
Ah, galit na.